Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to exploring our new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 15, which is 243 to 245. Alright, for the first character that we're going to build today is number block 245. So 245 has 243. So 243 has 200 light peach blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. So we're going to build 243 with my own formation, which means I have to build 200 blocks first into 10 by 20 by 10 rectangle formation. Then we add 40 remaining blocks at the top. Then we add last 3 yellow blocks, and that's called 243. But also 243 has the old rectangle formation, which is 9 by 27. So it couldn't catch 27 blocks tall, so I built like this. There, we got 100. So then we add another 100 to make 200. 1. Come on. Alright, we are almost got 200 blocks. Oh, something's stuck. Wait. Right, we got all 200 blocks. So we attach it all together to make 200. Yeah, great job. So then we attach 40 blocks more to make 240. Oh, alright, and then we add so hard to put. There, we got 240. Then we add 3 blocks more to make 243. I need to put it. Alright, here's our number block 243. We need one accessory, which is the crown, because this is to represent the number block 3, because we got 3 yellow blocks in a whole 243. But actually also represent that 243 can divide by 3, which is 3 lots of 81s. So we got yellow eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. Just like number block 3, because we got 3 yellow blocks in a whole 243. And then also got yellow eyebrows. No, yes. I should put it at here. And then we got the numbering for 243. Here's our number block 243, which is 81 lots of 3s or 9 lots of 27s. Alright, for the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 244. So 244 has 200 light peach blocks, 40 green blocks, and 4 normal green blocks. So 244, we build 240 into 20 by 12 rectangle formation, because 20 lots of 12s are 240. Yes. Then we add 4 green blocks more to make 244. There's our number block 244. Create building formation. So we need to put some stickers because we need these features. Because we need features to notice the number block 244, which has what is this number block 244 face is. So 244 is made out of 4 lots of 61s, but 61 is the 18th member of the Prime Club. But I create my own, which has the star-shaped glasses, which means love bands. This is my own decoration. Don't worry. This is my own. For the 61s, actually, it's also the calendar too, to represent the leap year. It's the 2 divided by 3, two-third times of the leap year. But I can't make the calendar, so that's why I just put only the face and the features without accessory and the expression. Alright, here, and don't forget the mouth. And 244 has green features. This is because 244 has 4 green blocks in the whole 244. And don't forget the numbering. Alright, here's our number block 244, which has 200 peach blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 4 normal green blocks. Alright, here's our number block 244. Right. For the last character that we're going to build today is our number block 245. So 245 has 200 peach blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 5 blue blocks. So we're going to build 245 like this. But actually, 245 is made out of 5 lots of 49s, or 49 lots of 5s. And then we need to attach the face stickers. So 245 has blue eyes and a mouth. That's to represent the number block 5. We got 5 blue blocks in the whole 245. But also we create the eyebrows. That's because 245 is made out of 7 lots of 35s. So we put it like this. Wait, why do I keep... There, we got blue features, but actually we got rainbow eyebrows. That looks attractive for the rainbows. They're almost done. Alright, here's our number block 245. Wow, the sticker sticks to my hand. Alright, and then we attach the numbering. Wait! Oh, I forget to change the numbering. Sorry everyone. So here's the numbering for number block 245. So here is the number block 245. That's all of the characters that we built in today's video. So which character do you like the most? 243, 244, or 245? Please leave the comments. So thank you everyone to watch my videos, for watching my videos. So if you want to see my new videos, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye!